Hope is the antidote to fear, said Lance Armstrong. Hello everyone. Today's powerful topic, optimism is a happiness magnitude, reminds me of these two beautiful lines which I read a couple of years ago. That it is impossible for a person to be happy and be pessimistic at the same time. In other words, it is impossible for an optimistic person to be sad at the same time. This beautiful topic, optimism is a happiness magnet, reminds me of our organization leaders and various leaders across the world who inspired us to stay strong during these challenging times, who inspired through their power of words to take care of not just ourselves but our near and dear ones. In fact, I clearly remember one beautiful message by our organization leader who said that tough times don't last, but tough people do. And we are the toughest and will rise to the occasion. That message of optimism, of positivity, of hope gave us strength in the midst of challenging times. And I'm really grateful for our organization leaders to exhibit empathy and at the same time giving us a ray of hope so that we could look forward to for a better future. Friends, hope, faith, optimism, these are certain things which have shaped our future. Optimism creates a brighter future, whereas pessimism, it destroys the present itself. Optimism acts as a happiness magnet which gives us ray of hope for a better future, not just for ourselves, but the generation which comes after us. Don't we all want to leave our generation in an optimistic way so that we can create a better future, a happy future for our upcoming generation? Don't we want to inspire them by our actions of positivity, of optimism and hope? So let's be optimistic so that we can create a better future